Ooh, always sweat.
Ah.
I got the recipe. And we gonna make some slime. Pete's World.
Get a bowl to mix your slime ingredients in.
Alright, so he got a bowl, I got a bowl. As usual, everything's a competition with us. I don't try to make it a competition, but he wants to compete with me because he just dreams of the day that he beats Uncle Pete in something. So pour your entire 6-ounce Elmer's glitter glue into the bowl. 6 ounces. So I guess we need a measuring cup. Elmer's glue. Boy, I have not smelled glue since school.
Me too.
Alright, so 6 ounces for you. 6 ounces for me. Alright. So here's your 6 ounces of love.
Yeah.
It's my beautiful daughter, Majesty, in the back.
Majesty, Majesty.
Y'all say, hey, Majesty. Say, hey, Majesty. Say hi. While I'm doing this, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so we can put this away. As you see, we have plenty left. So I guess we will be doing this again one day with like glitter and all types of stuff. That's why you need to subscribe. Make sure you can see it next time. Hey!
And turn on post notification.
And turn on the post notification. I can just...
Alright, so it's my turn.
Mm-hmm.
Add 1/2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix in thoroughly.
So grab a tablespoon while I open this.
What's a tablespoon? Oh, yeah.
Boy, don't play with me what's a tablespoon.
Where are they?
Don't play with me again. Come on, man. Where the spoons at, brother?
Oh.
The boy be acting crazy when we on video. I'm telling you, in real life, you don't act like that. I need some scissors, too, to open this. That man said, what's a spoon? That man said, what's a spoon? Then he said, where are all the spoons? Are you okay, man? Hold up. Where's it? We need a thermometer. We need to check his temperature. I think my boy's sick. You okay? All right, he's sick. Him not feeling good today, y'all. Woo! All right, so we gotta cut this on the dotted line.
Cut it on the dotted line.
All right. So now.
It smells weird. Let me see.
Okay, I don't really smell nothing. Here's the tablespoon. Okay, boom, there's your tablespoon. Alright, here's my tablespoon. Boom. Slowly add in your contact lens solution, and this is a reminder, your contact lens solution should contain boric acid or your slime will not form. Why did we do that before? You know, boric acid, there we go. Alright, so we're good.
Yeah. You're not gonna mix this?
Yeah, I am. Alright. About to mix it now. Ooh, glue.
Ooh! I need some more.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Lord. Oh, wow. This one. Check that out, y'all. Oh.
I need more.
I need more. I need more.
It's so good.
Oh. Oh, yeah. This is getting good. It's cleaning up everything. It's sticking to the bowl. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. You got some good slime. I guess this can come on out then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We done with this. That was pretty easy. That was pretty easy, pretty quick. Oh, man. Oh.
Like, break the glass.
Look, all right. I'm gonna see if I can clean the rest of the glue out of this cup right here. Oh.
This is the perfect.
Oh, Lord. Did I mess it up?
No. You just gotta add a little more contact solution.
I should have just left that glue in there. Oh, man, I guess it's all right. Yeah. Okay, it's good. It came back to life.
You about to...
Ballin'.
Wait, let me feel yours and you feel mine. Alright.
Yours feels weird.
Yours feels weird. Yours feels weird.
Yeah, I don't like yours.
I don't like yours. Mine is all warm.
Mine is nice and fluffy and
cold.
Oh! I thought I was gonna knock something off in case y'all missed it. Hey!
I can't believe we really missed one.
Yep.
And we have plenty more glue.
Alright, we got a guest on our show today.
You feel it?
Hey, baby.
My name's Sticky.
She's supposed to be taking a nap, but she said, nah, I think y'all filming something today. And I'm trying to get up in there. Ooh, it just feels good, though.
I know, it's like a stress ball.
Yes.
I can't blow.
Feel it? Want to touch it?
Okay, I can't do it. What you call this house? Madison's
Whoa,
house?
look how long it's growing. It's growing.
It's growing.
My arms are long. Oh, wow.
Hey, oh God. Oh
It's like Spider-Man.
God.
Oh. Oh.
I got delivered the ball. Oh.
Man, I just can't get it back.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Damn, look how long, man. Looks like a snake. Look, some oodles and noodles. Would anyone like a bowl?
No, I won't.
A bowl of oodles and noodles?
And tomorrow we're going hiking.
You gotta do all that, man. Stop telling people where we gonna be at, man. You don't want everybody to know your next move. Make your next move the best move, man. But keep it on the low, though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't forget to subscribe.
What is that? That's like a paint
I'm making a pizza.
show.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Nah. Try to blow a bubble. Woo!
I couldn't. It's like, you can try with yours.
Yeah, hold
I'll
on
hold
real
her.
quick.
My baby don't want to be held. Yeah, my baby.
Don't want to be hold or held?
Held.
Oh, it's not gonna hold. It's too.
You almost kissed the slime.
To my necklace. Woo!
He got diamond chains.
Be the first one rocking that slime chain. You know what I'm saying? Hey. I want to see how it feels on my face. But why don't you tell me?
He's slimy. Man, that's crazy. Not crazy than
Oh!
that. Not crazy than that.
Yeah.
Just know if you come and get somebody, you gonna get it back. What's wrong?
But just tell me how that pie tastes.
Okay.
That boy free. His reflexes quick as all the way. He got up out of there.
It tastes like.
You ain't even taste it, man. Take a bite, man.
Oh no!
That's laughing at me. Ew, that was nasty. Hey, boo boo.
Boo, come here, say hi to the camera.
Look, we got some slime.
Look, slime.
Come here. He just woke up from his nap.
It's slime. Okay.
Oh, come on. Don't be like that, brother, man. Here, sit in the chair and play with the slime. You don't want to play with the slime?
Let's see how strong it is.
Everybody loves slime. Everybody loves slime.
Facts.
We play with slime all the time. Oh, we got baby slipping to the side. If my baby slip, I have to catch it with the slime. Come
Yeah, we got last
Get
one.
over here.
I was louder than I thought.
It's like when you pull it and it breaks apart. It's like a clean chop. You see that?
Yeah. I've done that before with
That's a
slime.
clean cut. Like an invisible sword hit
That way.
it. And we out, baby. With the babies. Oh, so much love.
So much love.